Discovered a 3DMF file in a vintage Mac software archive? This is Apple's original 3D model format from the mid-90s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these QuickDraw 3D files contain and how you might be able to view them today. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small 3DMF errors. Take a shortcut and download now. 3DMF files are 3D model files created using Apple's QuickDraw 3D technology, a 3D graphics API and file format introduced in 1995 for Macintosh systems. They contain 3D geometry data, including polygon meshes, surface materials, texture maps, lighting definitions, camera positions, and scene hierarchy information. 3DMF files are 3D model files created using Apple's QuickDraw 3D technology, a 3D graphics API and file format introduced in 1995 for Macintosh systems. They contain 3D geometry data, including polygon meshes, surface materials, texture maps, lighting definitions, camera positions, and scene hierarchy information. Apple maintains the integrity of the 3DMF specification through QuickDraw 3D. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows can't load their advanced geometry, so complete viewing depends on professional CAD programs. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the 3DMF file and hit Open With. Test QuickDraw 3D if available. If not, choose a different app. The issue is often a slight incompatibility. If you are still having trouble opening the 3DMF file, do not worry. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here is a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, try MeshLab. Download and install MeshLab, the open-source mesh processing application. Use File, then Import Mesh to attempt loading the 3DMF file. MeshLab supports numerous legacy 3D formats and may recognize the QuickDraw 3D mesh data. If successful, the model renders in the 3D viewport for inspection and export. Next, convert with 3D conversion tools. Use a 3D file conversion utility, such as Spin3D or an online 3D converter service, to translate the 3DMF file to a modern format like OBJFBX or STL. Upload or select the 3DMF file and choose the desired output format. The converter attempts to parse the legacy geometry data for modern compatibility. Finally, use Vintage Mac environment. If modern tools cannot read the file, set up a classic Mac OS environment using Sheepshaver or Basilisk 2 emulators. Install QuickDraw 3D compatible software such as Strata 3D or the QuickDraw 3D viewer to open the 3DMF file natively. Export to a simpler format like DXF from within the Vintage environment for cross-platform transfer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagick. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.